Hello, traders. May pips be upon you. Listen, I want to give a quick message about Bitcoin. Remember this graphic I gave you? Uh, I had these dollar signs here and here, all right? And price was still above this line here. It had come down. It had, I think it might have been here, and yeah, it was breaking the triangle bottom. It was breaking out, and I gave a chart. And what I said was price will more than likely come down from here and make sure it wicks enough past here and here to get the stop losses for people that took longs. Okay. And that's exactly what price did. All right. But I also had this target down here. All right. And what price did was it came down here, then did this number, all right, and came up and tested the bottom of this triangle or this or wedge, all right, and now we are seeing some bottom. We are seeing it head towards, it hit the bottom of the triangle, and we see some downside action now. Now these arrows, these were the possibilities that I had rolled out. I said, okay, what price is going to do from up here is come down this low, get these the liquidity there, all right, and hit this long time trend line, and I fanned out onto I think it was the daily, and so that you could see how long it's been that this trend line has been respected. All right, this has been respected since December of 2020. All right, and we have uh, it hit the trend line exactly last Saturday. Okay, so that's the recap. Right. I also mentioned that there's a possibility that price could come past that trend line, grab the liquidity remaining here. It's the only one remaining. Come down here and then shoot up. All right. There's a daily support level here. Okay, so there's a good reason for price to hit here, maybe not close past the daily support, but wick past this this low so that it could grab the liquidity and shoot up. These are just two possibilities. Well, this one happened today. All right, so I can get rid of that one. You see how price has already come down to the trend line, had a reaction, had a very bullish reaction here, and now we are watching it fill that wick to the downside. So, where do you think it's going again? Where do you think it's going from here? Quite possibly, we can come down to the trend line and see a double bottom. All right, it can hit here a couple of times and then go up. Yeah, that's a possibility. Or it can come down here, grab that liquidity, and go on about its business up to the top. We could take a ride on up. Now, I gave you a bunch of scenarios as to why this level is as strong as it is. Okay, using Fibonacci levels and whatnot. All right, I'm making this a quick message. Refer to my previous video, would you please, to see all that action. But there is a weekly support level down here. All right, and that would represent quite a drop from the highs. Hold on now. Where's that tool? Just want to put this in your minds. Okay. See that? That's a 30% drop. 30 and a little change. A 30% drop. Isn't that what some of these gurus are talking about? That we could see another drop like that. So, the last drop like that, we can see them here. All right. From the high to the low there, and that was 17 from the hold on from the high to the low here, that's 26. All right, so we would be within, that those numbers. Can you understand where we're going? Okay, so if price does not do what we think, if it doesn't find support here, hard support at the daily support line, if it doesn't find hard support here on the trend line, and I think that's a good possibility here. If it does come down here for that liquidity and form the double bottom here and here on the daily support, and then spring up, then if it comes down here, we won't be surprised. All right. I just want you to be prepared. Be prepared for it. I wish I could speak normal English. Here is a 21% drop if we double bottom here at this daily support. So that's well within the 17 or 18% there and the 26% there. You know what I mean? 30 is not so far outside of it. All right, but a lot of people are calling for a big dip before the summer rally to the top. All right, the last leg of the bull run. Okay, so it all fits if you think about it. if you think about it, I guess. All right, and I'm obsessing about it. That's what I'm doing. So let's look for this. I don't want to mess this up. Okay, I'll just move it over like that. So maybe we might get something like this here. Maybe, that's a possibility. Look at these numbers up here, 5,800. This is where it would go, but it'll see some of that zigzag action. We're gonna get some of this action here. We're gonna bounce off of here, off of that a resistance line of this triangle, because there's a daily support level here. All right, then we're going to get past that and hit the target here, which is going to be 58,000. All right, that's because of the Fibonacci retracements and everything. Please refer to my previous video, and then we'll eventually get past that. We'll start heading on up and dealing with the resistance up here until we can attack this all-time high. I'll be with you through the whole thing, so if you need guidance, I'm hoping I can offer some helpful finger pointing. I'm just going to point my finger. We're going this way, feet. We're going right. We're going up. That's where we're going. Bye. That's all I'm going to say. So if you're looking for better than that, I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying? You want me to get crazy with these Fibonacci's and whatnot, right? All right. I'll talk to you later. Be careful. Be safe. If you're going to take shorts here, make sure your shorts are safe. Don't take a short directly into support. All right, that might not go well for you. I don't recommend that. If you're going to take scalps, that'll make all the sense in the world. All right, but I'm waiting for the big buy myself. All right, I've taken a couple of scalps along the way down, and they've proved to be profitable. I'm hoping that you guys just practice safe trading and good risk management. I'll talk to you soon.